Hello friends, good day to all of you and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a simple spice mix from South India. Let's make Rasam Powder. Now rasam is an integral part of South Indian meal. They have it every day with a different variation and it tastes the best when you make it with freshly ground homemade masala. So let's prepare this today. And then I have shared many varieties of rasam already. I shall be posting many more later. But today let's make this spice mix.
Rasam powder, aromatic spice mix to flavor your rasams. For this we'll require Toor dal. I've taken 4 tablespoons, coriander seeds 2 tablespoons, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, 6 to 7 dry red chillies, handful of curry leaves. These are sun dried. You may take fresh ones also and dry them later. Methi or fenugreek seeds 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of peppercorns. Ingredients list is also shared in the description box. You can check it out. Let's begin roasting them now. Take a frying pan and dry roast the Toor dal first. This has to be done separately as it takes longer time. Keep adjusting the flame from between medium and low and stir with the spatula until the color changes. And this time you will also get a nice aroma from it. You can see now it's become light brown. Roast it very well until it becomes golden brown. It's nearly done now. Remove it in a plate and in the same pan add the coriander seeds. Toss them a bit and add the cumin seeds. These are smaller in size so it won't take too long. Now add the peppercorns. Toss them together. And finally the methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are optional, some do not add, but it really gives a good flavor and they are good for health. They have lot of health benefits. Now remove these and roast the dry red chillies. This has to be done on low flame so that they don't become black. Now tip in the curry leaves. Now these are dried curry leaves so they can be tossed together. If you are using the fresh ones, then you remove the red chillies and then add the curry leaves and dry them until they are crispy. Remove them in a plate. We will set them aside for some time until they are cool enough. Once they are cool, transfer them into a grinding jar. If you grind the hot spices, they become lumpy because of the sweat released while grinding. Moisture. So it's always good to cool them well before grinding. Chilli levels can be adjusted according to your preference. I've added less chillies. These are spicy chillies. I'm going to add little Kashmiri chilli powder for color. Remove the ground spice into a plate. It's a bit coarser in texture. Some people prefer coarse texture. So if you like it this way, you can keep it. Just add Kashmiri chilli powder and use it. But I am going to grind it little more after adding the chilli powder. 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder is good enough. Give it a nice mix. It's so aromatic. I can get the aroma of the roasted spices. I think I'm going to grind it little more. It's done now. Ground into a fine powder. Look at this. The Kashmiri chilli powder has added color to the spice mix. Lovely. So aromatic. You can fill it into a jar, dry sterilized jar, and store it. It stays good on the shelf also. You don't have to refrigerate it. You can make in larger quantities also and store. This is about 1 cup. I like to make in small quantities. Look at this, so flavorful. So friends, do give this a try and enjoy your rasams with freshly made rasam powder, traditional South Indian way. And also check out some rasam recipes if you wish to make different varieties of rasam. I'll share all the links in the description box. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Happy cooking until then. Thank you for watching this video. Do check out some of my old videos also from the collection. Bye.